Hello, once again, this is the Toyota Avensis 2001. It has diesel engine, 1CD. So we just want to see how you can make it start in case you just woke up in the morning, then it fails to start again. So as you can see, I'm just going to try to start it now, then see if it's going to start. I'm starting. You can see it has failed completely. I switch off and let it. So let's open the bonnet and go see the fuel filter pump if it's sending. Otherwise I'm gonna reverse it and make it look down, then it can be very easy to send. So here I come. As you can see, it looks up, so I'm gonna make it look down. So as you can see now, it's gonna be easy for the fuel to come because it no longer doesn't need power to push up the fuel because it looks down, so the other fuel is coming immediately all this way. As you can see, it goes to that. Okay, let's go start again and see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna start again, then see. You can see now it works. Wow, wonderful. So that's a simple trick you can use at any time. So as you have seen, it has failed for the first time. So then I made the reverse, not the reverse, I just make it look down. So now it is starting. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share. Don't forget to like.